Hatiroo is a document management system. It supports contracts with business partners, NDAs, powers of attorney, and other similar documents. In Hatiroo, you can carry out the entire process, from creating documents based on templates, through reviewing, negotiating, approving, electronically signing, to archiving them. With Hatiroo, you can use electronic or traditional paper-based signatures. The system integrates with Autenti and DocuSign, including qualified electronic signatures. Hatiroo solves the most common problems in document workflows. Different versions of the same document circulate via email, making it hard to tell which one is the most current. Someone must then manually merge the changes. Someone uses an old contract instead of the official company template, and suddenly there are clauses that shouldn't be there. Signed contracts went missing. You've signed your part, your business partner supposedly has too, but no one can find the original. It's lost in someone's drawer or was never returned. Because Hatiroo brings the entire process into one place, you gain transparency, order, and peace of mind for years. Let me show you how the system works. In this video, I'll also explain how much Hatiroo costs and how to get started. The first step is preparing the contract. If the contract is based on a counterparty's template, you simply upload the received draft into the system. If it's your company preparing the contract, you start by selecting the official company's template. You enter your business partner's VAT ID number, and Hatiroo automatically retrieves their data from official government databases. Additionally, you can fill in other fields that you want to be transferred into the contract text. As a result, you receive a pre-filled Word file with the contract draft, which you can further edit if needed. Once the first version is ready, you can move on to the next stage. The actions in this stage can be flexibly adjusted to your company's needs and internal procedures. The document draft can be sent for internal review to collect recommendations and comments from other departments, shared with an external law firm for legal input, sent to the contractor to continue negotiations. The system automates this process. Hatiroo distributes tasks, sends notifications, and keeps track of the order and deadlines. Each person can work in their own time, being sure they are always working on the latest version. You can check at any time what stage the document is in and who is currently working on it. Hatiroo automatically enables the Track Changes mode and records the version history. The document is secure. The contractor cannot make changes without your knowledge. The review process continues until you have the final version. You can flexibly send the document to selected people or entire teams. Once the agreed version is ready, the document moves on to the final approval stage. The agreed contract version automatically goes to the approval of the indicated persons or departments. Most often, this includes a lawyer, division director, and the financial director. This stage ensures that all required approvals are collected before the document goes to signing. When the contract is approved, you receive a notification that it's ready for signing. Now you can either collect signatures electronically or traditionally on paper. Hatiroo supports both methods. You can use full integration with Autenti or DocuSign, the most popular electronic signature platforms. Let's look at an example with DocuSign. You only indicate the contacts of the people signing on the contractor's side. Everything else is already set up in the system, including the required signature types for each kind of contract: standard, advanced, or qualified. Hatiroo creates a document envelope with the proper order of signatures and designated signature fields. You can preview the contract and make any final adjustments. DocuSign then handles the signing process, sending notifications, and ensuring the agreed order of signatures. Each person can sign the contract from any device with internet access, smartphone, tablet, or computer. A few clicks and it's done. Hatiroo monitors the signing status and notifies you as soon as all signatures are collected. After signing, the contract is stored in the central electronic archive of Hatiroo. In one place, you have the signed version as well as all previous drafts with comments and tracked changes. Before the signed contract expires, the system will send you a notification. This allows you to quickly prepare an annex in Hatiroo. The annex will be automatically linked to the main contract. The document archive is secured on your company's servers. Access is restricted only to your employees. Permissions can be assigned freely by department, role, or document type. In the Hatiroo archive, you can easily search for contracts by type, value, date, or any text fragment. You can also generate Excel reports, for example, a list of contracts from a particular time period. What you've just seen is a model process in Hatiroo. You can adjust it freely, disable certain steps, change their order, edit form fields, approval matrices, notifications, or document templates. Each process can be fully customized to your company's needs. You have complete control. Hatiroo is a comprehensive system that connects the work of many departments. It supports multiple types of documents. You can categorize contracts with business partners into different types, and you can also add requests, powers of attorney, and other related documents. Large international teams often use Hatiroo. That's why the system offers language switching options. More advanced configuration options are also available. You can see more possibilities in our other videos. Now that you've seen how the system works, let's talk about what Hatiroo offers in the context of contracts with business partners. With Hatiroo, your sales team doesn't get stuck in formalities and can close deals faster. Sales representatives can focus on talking to clients and selling, while Hatiroo takes care of administrative and organizational matters. The salesperson enters only the basic data, and the system automatically generates the contract with up-to-date contractor information. The next steps are coordinated automatically. Negotiations and edits happen in one place. There's no chaos of versions or lost email attachments. Contracts can be signed electronically, without couriers or meetings. This is especially useful when the contractor is in another city or country. Faster contract closure means faster cooperation and faster cash flow for your company. With Hatiroo, everyone knows where to find the official templates and how to use them. No one edits random old files or creates contracts from scratch every time. The process in Hatiroo is clearly defined. Required approvals can't be skipped, regardless of vacations, staff changes, or memory lapses. Hatiroo automatically fills in data, distributes tasks, and tracks deadlines. That's crucial. One human mistake can cost a company a contract or cause financial and legal consequences. With Hatiroo, you can be sure everything happens according to company standards and in the right order. Process knowledge no longer depends on one person. It's in the system. All signed contracts and drafts are stored together with version history and comments. When using electronic signatures, the signed contract automatically goes into the archive. You no longer depend on whether the contractor will return the paper copy. You also don't rely on employees' memory. No need to wonder whether someone saved the document on their disk or in which cabinet it's stored. When someone leaves or changes roles, you don't lose the historical data. You can easily reassign documents to another person. Hatiroo becomes the company's central document database, accessible to every employee according to their permissions. Hatiroo operates on a subscription model with a fixed monthly fee. Subscription plans depend on the number of processes handled in the system. One process equals one document type. For example, one kind of contract or request. Technical support is included in every subscription. That gives you peace of mind. In case of any failure or issue, we'll take care of it quickly and free of charge. Subscriptions have no user limit. Everyone in your company, or even all companies in your capital group, can use the same subscription. The current subscription prices are available on our website. Before you decide to implement Hatiroo, you can take part in a trial workshop. It's a short project that we conduct together with your team. A Hatiroo consultant will guide you through it, offering both technical and business advice. They'll help you organize workflows and adjust your document templates. We'll prepare a dedicated Hatiroo test server integrated with Autenti, DocuSign, and Microsoft 365. This means you'll test not just one, but 4 connected systems. The consultant will show you how to use Hatiroo and answer all your questions during scheduled online sessions. You'll work with your own templates and real business scenarios. You'll see exactly how Hatiroo can improve your daily work based on real cases from your company. At the end, you'll receive an analytical report summarizing the current state and including tool recommendations. That allows you to make your decision based on real examples from your business. If you found this content helpful, leave a like and a comment. It helps us reach a wider audience. I also encourage you to subscribe so you can stay up to date with our latest updates.